today's episode is going to be a POV or point of view LSD install into a 3.7 Aristo TT carrier and gear set. That's a lot of fancy words. I'm not going to talk really during the episode, except for right now. You're just gonna see me doing the actions that I have already covered in previous episodes. So if you're looking for step-by-step part numbers, all of the details, go back and check out those episodes. Now, as a reminder, the reason you want to do a limited slip differential is because the open differential causes what we call one wheel peel or one tire fire, or some people just call it lame because it is lame. So when you put in a CBS Racing helical differential core, you're going to be turning both wheels in almost any scenario. For you drifters, for you racers, for you people that just want a factory experience turning both wheels, CBS Racing is the way to go. If you want a discount code, I still have one. So I'm going to be putting that discount code down in the video description. Make sure you go down and check that out. Also go check out CBS Racing because their site is actually really good. CBSRacingShop.com has all of the exploded views of the part numbers for Lexus and Toyota vehicles anyways. When you order a limited slip differential from CBS Racing, it will come in a box kind of like this. And inside that box, you will find the differential core, which is kind of weird because you think of it as being really big because the carrier's big, but actually the core is fairly small. I have encouraged the fellow enthusiasts to get some OEM parts to go into this bolted differential carrier. Inside of this is kind of the minimum that we recommend and that Simon recommends when you're going to do a limited slip differential and a bolted differential. So what you'll see, you got crush washers for fill and drain, two new tapered bearings here. These are the same part number, which is cool. So the tapered bearings allow us to not have to remove the bearings off of the open differential. Then we have a couple side seals. These bolted differentials are great because they share part numbers in almost every spot, times 2. 10 ring gear bolts, you gotta replace those. Inside your box, you're gonna find another box. And this thing is well packaged. Now this is kind of heavy. If you've seen my past episodes, you'll know that there is a limited slip core inside here. It's a 200 millimeter. You get a sticker right there. That's their differential core that's gonna go inside here. I'll also put a link in the video description for episode 1 of my LSD series. And let's get started right now.